So how's it going, bosses? Hope everyone's having a fantastic week so far. Now, last week I had a full wearing of 4160 Tuesdays, the Dark Heart of Old Havana. This is one I've been looking forward to trying for a little while, so I'm going to be back in just a second and tell you all about it. So welcome back, you're watching the Luxury Fragrance Boss channel. My name's Scott, of course I'm the Luxury Fragrance Boss. Now, as I said last week, I had a full wearing of 4160 Tuesdays, the Dark Heart of Old Havana. This is one that I'd say came pretty highly recommended. I had a few people mention this one to me, especially because I tend to like sort of tobacco fragrances and vanilla-y fragrances. Something I've noticed with 4160 Tuesdays as well is they do tend to the ones that I've tried anyway, they do seem to be pretty much based around a vanilla. Not that I've got anything against that. I really do love some I've got a broad taste in vanilla fragrances, and I really do like vanilla fragrances. I love it, especially when it's mixed with rums and tobaccos and things like that. Now, this one I was expecting big things because, as I said, it did come pretty highly recommended. And after reading the note profile and stuff like that, it did seem sort of really nice. It did sound really nice on paper. You got a couple of my favourite fragrances, favourite notes in here, including tobacco, tonka, and you got vanilla in there as well. This one goes on really sweet. I'd say when you first smell it, when you first apply this, it is very sugary. It's quite honeyish. I'd say it's quite similar to Rehab or maybe Killing's Back to Black. Initio, Rehab, or Killing's Back to Black. It's got that sort of kind of honey vibe about it. It's very sweet. You get a little bit of vanilla, but it really smells like a vanilla-y and very sugary type of tobacco. Almost rum-like, like a molasses kind of smell. It is really nice in the opening. Unfortunately for me, after that though, it does turn very feminine. What I mean by that is you've got some peach in here, and it just seems to get peachier and peachier as the time goes on. And in the end, I felt like I was just wearing a peach blossom, like scented shower gel or something like that. Something that my wife might use. So for me, it did go very feminine. Performance-wise though, I can't fault it on performance-wise. If you do like a nice peach fragrance and you do want to smell like a female, peach blossom shower gel, then definitely worth checking this one out. Hopefully some of those other notes like the tobaccos and stuff like that will hold on your skin. For me, they really didn't. I just smelled pure peach after sort of the first hour and a half. And yeah, it just stayed linear after that. If you do like a nice peach fragrance, definitely worth one checking out. Performance, as I said, very good. Unfortunately, because it just kept lasting. I'm not the biggest fan of peach anyway. I find it, like I say, I do find it very feminine, and I almost didn't want to smell it on me some of the time. So unfortunately, I had to make it through the whole day with it on. It's not an overpowering fragrance either. So I'd say it's quite a light fragrance. It's not something that you're going to sort of get big projection from. Probably looking at around 2 to 3 feet maximum projection you're going to get out of this one. I got it in wafts and stuff like that throughout most of the afternoon that I was wearing it. Not an overpowering, like I'd say, it's a very light sort of peach blossom fragrance. I'd say more than it's not really what I would imagine. I've not been to Havana, but I'm guessing it doesn't smell like peaches. I would guess it's more like Cuban cigars and rum, stuff like that, stuff that you would associate with Cuba and Havana. That's my thoughts on that one. Let me know if this is one of your favourites. 4160 Tuesdays, I'm enjoying them, exploring them. As I said, they seem to be quite a vanilla based house, and they do vanilla really well. This one I don't think is one of their strongest ones though. If you like peach, as I said, definitely worth checking out. Now, as usual, please like, comment and subscribe. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this one. Let me know your favourites from 4160 Tuesdays. So far, I'm trying to think what I've tried. The sexiest scent on the planet, in my honest opinion, I think I tried, and Freeway. They're the two that I've tried so far, as well as this one. Let me know your favourites from. Let me know about Over the Chocolate Shop as well. I'd love to know if that one's worth trying, because I'm enjoying exploring some gourmands now, something that I never really used to sort of be that fond of, but I'm enjoying exploring some of those. Now, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. You can find me at Luxury Fragrance Boss. That way keep up to date with my scent of the day, any samples or any reviews that I've got coming up, things like that. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you'll keep up to date with any time I'm releasing a new video. You'll be the first to know. Besides that, stay smelling fantastic. I look forward to seeing you very soon, and thank you so much for watching.